Hello, and welcome to this APA 7th edition tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format an APA 7th edition style paper, how to set up your header, as well as how to set up a title page. The formatting of an APA 7th edition paper is similar to what you would have used when you set up a paper in the 6th edition. However, there are a couple of differences. Your basic formatting rules are double spacing throughout, and of course that includes the reference page, 1-inch margins, and Stratford will continue to use the standard of Times New Roman font and 12-point font size. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to set up these 4 rules. So the first rule is to have everything double spaced, and again this includes the reference page. On your Home tab, click the line and paragraph spacing icon in the paragraph section and choose 2.0. This will ensure that your paper is double spaced throughout. Next, let's set 1-inch margins. Click on Page Layout tab and click on Margins. Normally your document should be set for 1-inch margins, but click on 1 inch all the way around just to make sure. Finally, let's set your paper up for Times New Roman and 12-point by going back to the Home tab. Now I know your first instinct is to change the settings here. However, there is a trick to this. Instead of just changing this to Times New Roman 12-point here, click the small X that's to the right of the word font. This will bring up a box where you can make several choices. In this case, in the font area, start typing Times New Roman and select it from your choices. Make sure that 12-point is selected here. And instead of clicking OK down at the bottom, click on Set as Default. This gives you a choice to set your default for this document only or all documents based on the normal template. I'm going to choose this document only. If you choose all documents based on the normal template, that means that you will, each time you call for a new document, your font size and your font will automatically be set to Times New Roman. So let me click OK. And notice how this is set at Times New Roman 12-point. The reason we do this is that it allows your headers to be Times New Roman 12-point, as well as items that you copy and paste into your document to be Times New Roman 12-point. Okay, next we're going to set up your header. The header contains a page number that is justified to the right margin over here. All pages, including the title page, will have a page number. So to insert a page number, click again on the Insert tab, and then click on Page Numbers in the header and footer area. You're going to click on Top of Page and select Plain Number 3, because as you notice, the page number is over on the right. And that pops in your page number. And the good thing is you only have to do this process once. Once you've populated the page number in your header, it will automatically populate on each of your pages. Finally, we're going to finish setting up the title page. Note that the title page is on its own page, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. In order to get out of your header era, you can either hit your Escape key or you can double click in the white area down below the header. So I'm going to hit my Escape key. Now, to complete the title page, you're going to want to make sure that the page is both horizontally and vertically centered. To get the horizontal setting in your Home tab, simply click on the Center button. To get the vertical centering, hit your enter button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to turn our bolding on. We're turning our bolding on because we need to bold the title of the paper. So when you type the full title of your paper, you will type the title and only capitalize the first letter of each important word. Next, going to turn your bolding off and hit your enter key. The next thing that you're going to type is your name. Now notice when you type your name, you don't put any prefixes before your name, such as Mr. or Mrs. or Miss, and you don't put any titles or degrees after your name. So on the next line, type Stratford University, because that's where you've done your research. For the next line, you are now going to type your course code and the title of the class. For example, English 111 and the course title of College Composition. On the next line, you're going to type your instructor's name. And finally, you're going to type the date that the paper is due. When you're done typing the information on the title page, hit your enter key, which I just did. As you can see, your cursor is on the line below the date. From the Insert tab, go ahead and click on Page Break icon. This allows your title page to stand on its own and allows you to start typing your next section on a new page. So if I scroll down, you'll see that we are on a new page here, and you'll notice that it's page 2 because that page number is automatically populated because of the page number insert you did previously. So that's the basic formatting of an APA 7th edition paper, as well as how to do the header and how to complete the title page. If you need any help, please make sure you reach out to your campus librarian or email us at library@stratford.edu. Thanks for watching.